Alright, so we had an issue on a 11 Ram 6.7 Cummins. We kept blowing a fuse M21. I think it was this one. It's the 20 amp. I believe it's this one. You gotta look at it, but it's on there. So M21. And we tried everything. Tried checking all the wiring. I was reading about it, thinking the TPIM or TIPM, whatever, the fuse box is bad. The ECU could have been bad. The actuator could have been bad. Everything was a lot of different things that could be bad. We did have an issue before. Our turbo, the vanes were seized up, so the actuator started acting out. There's a lot of issues with it, so the check engine light came on right after that, and it would not delete the codes. There's like 4 or 5 codes, and we end up replacing the VGT actuator and a different turbo, and the codes would not clear. We tried everything, they would just not clear. They were permanent codes, and we're just going through all the wiring, thinking the wiring got melted or something happened somewhere, and what it ended up being was the airflow sensor. So it's the one that's located right here. This one. So if you have the similar issue where you keep blowing out the fuse M21, and the way it would blow out is you would replace it, just turn on the ignition, and it would blow it out right away instantly. So if you didn't even start the truck, it blows it out. So that's the fix. And here's the part number.